Bam guys, welcome back to another video. So for you guys that are new and for all the new subscribers, thank you guys for checking out the channel. And in today's video we're going to be just installing our motor mounts on here, and then also on the mount you need to grind down this nipple. I'll show you guys what you got to do on that one if you're doing the swap yourself. And then we're going to install our W58 on here now, and after that, tomorrow we can go ahead and take our bumper off, get the motor in, and then we can take our intercooler and kind of line everything up and see how everything fits on here. So but for today, that's what we're gonna do, and I'm gonna set you guys up. Like I said, we get straight to action, not too much talking. But like I said, thank you guys for checking out the channel, and thank you for all the new subscribers, and let's get this going. Alright guys, so the bell housing is completely on, tightened down, it's going nowhere, and we're just going to put the little gasket for our shifter housing here, so that's going to be good. Everything is all good to go, everything's free. I can spin it from here as well, so nothing's locked up, so we're all good there. So let's go ahead and put that gasket on, and we can talk about the motor mounts next. Alright guys, so check it out. I ordered the wrong part for this. So this gasket is different than this gasket. They don't line up. One's smaller. I want to say this is for the R154. I might be wrong, or I might just order a whole different gasket for a whole another training. But I'm positive this is for the R154. It doesn't line up to any of the bolts. It's much shorter. If anything, this is the one I came off the transmission. This is the one I ordered. So as you can tell, it's fatter as well. So but nonetheless, things happen like that. I do have the housing here. I cleaned the inside of it so you guys can see there. Took off that little bushing that goes in there, so it's all clean. Just got to order that, and then we can install that on here. But for now, let's work on the motor mounts, because we really can't do much here. So things happen, but it is what it is. So I'll show you guys about the motor mounts and what you got to grind off here. Alright guys, so this is our motor mount. This is the parts number here. If anybody wants to buy it, take a look at it. I got this off eBay. And basically, take this off for you guys. Show you how it looks. This is how it looks. And this is the nipple I was talking about. So we just have to grind this. This has to be off. So get a grinder, grind it smooth like that, and then because it's gonna sit like so in the motor on the subframe, basically. So sit like this. So this goes to your motor mount, and this goes to the subframe mount. So yeah, just grind this down, and you guys should be good to go. bam guys, just like that, we had our safety suit on, our football helmet, and some gloves. So don't want any like metal parts going in your eye. That's like the worst thing you want. So that's the reason why I had my little football helmet on. With the it has a visor on it, so protect my eyeballs. But as you can see, smooth. The threads are good. Didn't touch any of that, thank God. So this is what you want, just like that. And then when we come to install it here, the lights kind of not all that bright, but hold on, let me get this in here for you guys. Just like so, it goes in there. I don't know if you can see, but you really can't see, it's kind of dark, but yeah, it'll go like that. Bam. And then it's smooth down here, so it'll just sit flush to the subframe or mount. So yeah, that's it. All we gotta do is just tighten this bad boy down, like so, all the way down, tighten here, and install the other one on the other side, and basically this is good to go. The motor is ready to go in, but as you guys can tell, I'm missing this gasket, and I really need that because I mean, I think I could still put this motor in without the gasket being here yet, but I think it'll be much easier just to have all this tightened down. I just have the shifter in there, but it's not really on. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'm hoping tomorrow I'll attempt to see if I can put this in, but if not, I'll probably just have to wait for the gasket. So for now, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Hopefully you enjoyed this short video, and don't forget to hit the like to help the channel out, and share with your friends. But yeah, I'm excited. Transmission's on. We are this close. Well, we could have dropped this in tomorrow, but since I ordered the wrong part, I kind of screwed myself there. But yeah, anyways, I'll catch you guys later. Thank you for watching. Have a good night. Be safe. Peace.